Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use free camera mode in Roblox. So the first step is open the game. Open your Roblox on your computer or PC, then join any game that supports a free camera mode. This only works on a computer, not on mobile. Now the second step is press Shift plus P. So once you're in the game, hold down the Shift key and press P key at the same time. This will activate the free camera mode. If nothing happens, that means the game might have a free camera adjustable or you are in a game that doesn't allow it. Third step is move the camera. Now the free camera mode is on. Use your WASD keys to move the camera forward, left, backward, and right. So there are other options as well, like press E to move the camera up, press Q to move it down, move your mouse to look around, or you can hold Shift to move faster, and you can hold Control to move slower. And step 4, to exit the free camera mode, simply press Shift plus P key again, and there are some extra tips as well. Free camera mode is great for taking screenshot or recording your video. Work best in games where you are not locked to a fixed view, and try it in private sector or sandbox game for full freedom. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.